Aviation enthusiasts, globetrotters, and dreamers, welcome aboard. Have you ever yearned to feel the earth vibrate beneath the thunder of a jet engine taking flight? Or perhaps you've longed to witness the awe-inspiring ballet of a plane gracefully ascending into the vast canvas of the sky. If so, then prepare to have your breath taken away. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to Lisbon Airport, a vibrant gateway to the world and a haven for passionate plane spotters like ourselves. Our Lisbon adventure begins with a true champion for a worthy cause. Look closely, and you'll see a stunning Airbus A330neo belonging to Azul Linhas Aéreas, not in its usual vibrant blue livery, but adorned in a beautiful pink ribbon design. This special livery serves as a powerful symbol of hope and awareness in the fight against breast cancer. Azul, meaning blue in Portuguese, is Brazil's youngest major airline, taking to the skies in 2008. Their focus on connecting travelers within Brazil and beyond has made them a major player in South American aviation. And this specific aircraft, the Airbus A330neo, is a marvel of modern engineering. Its powerful yet fuel-efficient Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines propel it effortlessly down the runway, while its innovative wing design reduces drag and noise pollution. Touching down from the bustling city of Istanbul, here comes the Turkish Airlines Airbus A321neo. A workhorse of the skies, this single-aisle jet is renowned for its reliability and efficiency, connecting countless passengers across Europe and beyond. With a signature roar, the iconic Ryanair Boeing 737 streaks skyward, bound for the vibrant city of Naples. This ever-reliable narrow-body aircraft has revolutionized low-cost travel, making European getaways more accessible than ever. Prepare to be mesmerized by the king of the skies, the Emirates Boeing 777. Witness its majestic taxi and a thunderous takeoff as it embarks on its journey to the dazzling metropolis of Dubai. This wide-body giant is a technological marvel, offering unparalleled comfort and luxury on long-haul flights. Did you know? Emirates holds the record for the world's longest scheduled passenger flight, connecting Dubai to Auckland, New Zealand. Glistening in the Lisbon sun, the World 2 Fly Airbus A330 gracefully touches down, arriving from the sun-kissed shores of Veradero, Cuba. This versatile aircraft offers exceptional range and comfort, transporting vacationers to their dream destinations. With a burst of orange, the EasyJet Airbus A320 takes flight, setting its sights on the charming island of Bastia, France. This single-aisle workhorse is a familiar sight at European airports, making short-haul travel convenient and affordable. A true aviation legend, the mighty high-fly Airbus A340. Here it comes, taxiing majestically before its powerful takeoff to the tropical paradise of Punta Cana. This wide-body giant is a familiar sight at airports worldwide, easily recognizable by its distinctive four engines. The A340, once a dominant force in long-haul travel, has become somewhat of a rare breed in recent years as airlines increasingly favor more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft. However, its legacy remains undeniable. For over 2 decades, it faithfully carried passengers on long-distance routes, offering exceptional range and comfort. Those 4 turbofan engines are the heart and soul of the A340. While they may not be the most fuel-efficient option today, their raw power is undeniable. Witness the sheer force as they spool up to takeoff power, sending a wave of thrust that propels this magnificent machine down the runway with impressive acceleration. The A340 may not be the most common sight in the skies anymore, but its impact on aviation is undeniable. It paved the way for long-haul travel as we know it today, connecting continents and cultures across vast distances. So, the next time you see this aviation legend grace the runway, remember its remarkable journey and the role it played in shaping the world of air travel. Arriving from the historic city of Hamburg, the Lufthansa Airbus A321neo makes a smooth landing. This modern jet embodies German engineering excellence, offering passengers a comfortable and efficient travel experience. Witness the future of aviation take flight. Here comes a technological marvel, the World 2 Fly Airbus A350, taxiing majestically before its awe-inspiring ascent to Cancun, Mexico. This sleek and modern jet is a true game-changer, pushing the boundaries of efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. Let's take a closer look at what makes the A350 so special. First, admire its captivating design. The wide fuselage, crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber composites, creates a smooth, flowing form that reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency. Those Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines are whisper quiet compared to older models. This, combined with the A350's advanced aerodynamics, significantly reduces noise pollution, making it a champion for sustainable travel. But don't be fooled by its gentle hum, the A350 packs a serious punch. Let's delve deeper into its passenger experience. Imagine stepping inside a cabin bathed in natural light, thanks to the A350's extra-large panoramic windows. The higher humidity levels create a more comfortable and refreshing environment for long journeys, while advanced air filtration systems ensure cleaner, healthier air. Airlines are increasingly customizing the A350 cabin interiors to offer unparalleled luxury and comfort. Picture spacious seating with advanced in-flight entertainment systems, mood lighting that adjusts throughout the flight, and even personalized temperature controls. The A350 isn't just about passenger comfort, it's about revolutionizing the way airlines operate. Its fuel efficiency allows for longer-range flights and opens up new possibilities for direct connections between distant cities. World 2 Fly, known for their leisure travel focus, is perfectly positioned to capitalize on the A350's capabilities, offering travelers more direct routes to their dream destinations in the Caribbean and beyond. So, as the A350 disappears into the horizon, remember this, it's not just an airplane, it's a symbol of progress, sustainability, and the ever-evolving world of aviation. That concludes our breathtaking tour of Lisbon Airport's runway. We've witnessed a diverse range of aircraft, each playing a vital role in connecting people and cultures across the globe. Thank you for joining us on this aviation adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plane spotting thrills.